The decision is loving yourself. That's the hardest part. I'm just making you responsible of your impact, aware of your impact. You are stuck. You are in limbo. You're the one not free there, meeting chicks in Miami. Can't do what you want. If you were cool and free, you'd be cool and free, and this would not be something to be in. Please be honest and call out to me whatever that bullshit is. I can be done with it in 2 days. I've been done in 5 months. I've done this before. This is a cycle. I've been here before. We could one day, we could all do. Can't talk to both fucking sides. It's bullshit, man. Like, you're just pulling out any fucking thing. It's not grounded. There is no grounding. You are speaking purely inside of the feminine. See it over there. See it over there. Yes, that is the entire spectrum of femininity, all of it. What's the grounding? It's either works or it doesn't. Because it works to be enough return on investment for you to go down that path and deal with whatever comes up down that path. Or it does not work and you go off and deal with whatever comes down that path. And right now, it occurs to you the whole of the feminine could be a lose-lose. If I go this way, it's sway and all this extra pressure. There's nothing grounding to who you are, loving yourself and following that path. Because that's on the masculine side. That's grounded in self. You have to have a North Star to follow. That's why I speak to a worthiness of the life you want, worthiness of the conditions, worthiness of the relationship, worthiness of the money. They're all your conversations, and when I say worthy, it's love, self-love. You make yourself worthy enough to have the life you want. Or not.